A hair system is essentially a handmade, bespoke piece that is created just for you. It's going to match the color of your hair exactly. It's going to match your skin tone. It's highly designed, made from natural hair. It's created off a template that we would do for you, so it fits your head exactly. In general, most of our clients are suffering partial hair loss, so the hairpiece would only fit that part. Once it's skillfully bonded then by our technicians, our barbers will cut it and blend it into your own hair. A lot of our clients have some hair partial, back and sides usually, and once it's bonded securely to your head, it's blended in with your hair. It's a complete haircut, and you just carry on with your life and live it as you normally do.